so I'm gonna take this vow and fall off the edge. And all I'll ever be